Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the HCF of 91 and 287 by long division method. We have already used prime factorization method to find the HCF of numbers. In this video we are going to use the long division method. HCF is the highest common factor. It is the number which divides both the numbers fully without leaving a remainder. And in this method, first we divide the bigger number by the smaller number. If we'll get a remainder, we make the remainder as the next divisor and will divide the previous divisor by the remainder, and we'll keep on repeating until we get the remainder as 0. The divisor which gives the remainder as 0 will be the HCF of the two numbers. So let's start by dividing 287 by 91. So 91 times 3 is 273. Subtract the two numbers. So 7 minus 3 is 4. 8 minus 7 is 1. And 2 minus 2 is 0. Now we get the remainder as 14. So if we divide 287 by 91, we get the remainder as 14. In the next step, this remainder will be our new divisor. So now we'll use 14 as the new divisor and we'll divide 91, the previous divisor, by 14. So 14 times 6 is 84. It goes 6 times, so 14 times 6 is 84. 10 minus 4 is 7. And 9 becomes 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. So now we have 7 as the remainder. Now this 7 will become the next divisor. And we'll divide the previous divisor, which was 14. So this was our first step. The second step is 91 divided by 14, which equals 6 remainder 7. So next step, third step will be 14 divided by 7, and 7 times 2 is 14, and here we get the remainder as 0. So when we get the remainder as 0, we'll stop, and the divisor by which we get the remainder as 0 will be the HCF of the two numbers. So HCF of the two numbers will be 7. This is our final answer, and here we will write the third step, which is 14 divided by 7, which equals 2. This is 6 are 7 and 2 are 0. So in the long division method, whichever divisor gives the remainder as 0 will be the HCF of the two numbers. So this is how we find the HCF using long division method. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.